Abby, stop.
Stop! Not anything, Porky. Not a fight, buckwheat.
Abby, come sit down.
This is going to be funny. I got something. I got something. Me too. A big fat one. Did you hear it? Like a big fat one.
Show.
Dad!
I'm watching. Show it.
Thanks. Hey, Porky, look. I know. What's it say? We gotta learn to read.